Welcome to TKT course by Teacher Teresa, Module 1, Part 2, Background to Language Learning, Unit 13, Learner Characteristics. Key Concepts and the Language Teaching Classroom. Key Concepts and the Language Teaching Classroom. Read these tips and mark the ones that matter most to you. Teachers should reflect on their own learning styles, learning strategies, and past language learning experiences, and compare them with their teaching methods. Many teachers naturally teach the way they prefer to learn, but this may not align with all their learners' preferences. Being aware of this can help them adjust their teaching approach. Certain learner characteristics, like learning strategies and past language learning experiences, are more applicable to teaching teenagers and adults than to teaching children. To identify our learners' characteristics, we can use various methods, such as asking them directly, observing their behavior, distributing questionnaires, and requesting feedback at the end of the lesson on which activities they found enjoyable, why they liked them, and how else they may prefer to work. Learners can be trained to be aware of and use various learning strategies. This is an important aspect of learner training. For example, we can give them a list of strategies for memorizing vocabulary, and ask which ones they like best and why, or we can ask them how they solved a problem, to help them notice helpful strategies. When learners are unhappy with new teaching methods, teachers may need to introduce the changes slowly, and explain why these changes are being made. This is an important part of learner training, helping students adjust their ways of learning. If learners are unable or unwilling to adapt to new methods, teachers may need to adjust their own teaching approaches to help learners feel more comfortable and confident in their learning. Teachers can include various types of activities in their lessons to accommodate different learning styles. For example, they might start with a listening task, move on to a reading exercise, include group work, follow with a mingle activity, where learners talk to each other, and finish with an exercise. Learners' maturity has a significant impact on how teachers plan lessons and choose activities. It influences key decisions, such as the number of activities, their duration, the level of difficulty, the amount of hands-on experience, whether to focus on meaning or form, the motivational strategies to use, and how much learners should speak in front of the class. Teachers may not always be able to align their teaching with every learner's characteristics in each lesson, but by varying their teaching strategies throughout different lessons, they can meet the needs of various learners. See Units 19, 20, 21 for planning lessons that reflect learner characteristics. Thank you.